Hi everyone. Today I want to talk about Cathedral City Cove. It's one of the areas next to Palm Springs that I love because it offers a lot of opportunity for finding a home that's less expensive than Palm Springs. Also, the fact that the Cove is elevated, so you get some amazing views of the Coachella Valley. It's nestled in the San Jacinto Mountains, so you have mountain views surrounding you as well as you have the valley below. There's about 1,200 homes in the Cove right now, and actually people started coming to the Cove in the 30s, and it's grown ever since. And it also, Cathedral City wasn't incorporated until like 1981. That's kind of hard to believe. It's really not that long ago. So there are some homes here that we're going to take a look at. One of them today is a fixer that has a lot of potential. It's a 3-bedroom, 2-bath. It's priced at $675. And so it's not going to last very long. It's got a lot of potential, and so we're going to take a look at this property and see what could be done. Because something like this remodeled could go, in the 8s. So, and that's really hard to even find in Palm Springs. Especially a fixer in the $675 range. Really hard to find. The other thing that I wanted to note too is the Cove has always been it's always brought, artists up in this area since the 30s. Also, they're just creative types, writers, a lot of LGBTQ as well. So I think that, there's so much opportunity to find a home here that's a little bit more affordable than Palm Springs, and actually has a different element with the elevations, as you'll see. So let's take a look at this home today, and I would love your comments, and please subscribe. I'd love to continue sharing wonderful information about parts of the Coachella Valley that I feel are amazing places to live.
It's a 3-bedroom, 2-bath built in 1961, and it's a little bit over 1,500 square feet. So let's take a look.
So we're taking a look at the living room right now, and again, this is priced at $675. It's priced to sell. Does need to be redone. It has gorgeous views. Look at that from the living room. So you have to look at the potential of what's here. The Cove holds a lot of value. There's storage over here. It's a little funky, but this could be straightened out. This is a dining area, and it also has views as well, which is very nice. And here's the kitchen. This I see being completely opened up. Make it one big space. And there is the backyard, which we'll take a look at momentarily. So this kitchen is not original, but it's definitely dated. Needs to be redone. So we're going into the hallway. Here is the first bedroom. There's a closet here. There's frosted glass for privacy, which I would change out. This is the hallway here. This is a little funky, but it's a bedroom, but they've used it as a den. Love that safe. No one's going to take that. There's closets here. We're going back to what is part of the space, which is considered the bedroom as well. That's looking out at the pool. You could blow this out with sliders. You have access right to the pool. This is looking back at this sitting room slash part of the bedroom. Got a guest bathroom here. Again, original condition or close to. And then we have the primary bedroom. This air conditioner is a real throwback. And then we have the bathroom here with side storage and shower. And then we have, of course, mirrors here with storage, sliders, closet. I think this home, with some thought, could really be an outstanding property. You have a nice portico here, nice backyard, and old school pool, rather large, and a spa that would need to be resurfaced, but again, that's something that could be easily done. A new pool is very expensive now to put in if it doesn't have one at all. So there are some nice mid-century elements to this house, and it's extremely private. And then you have a 2-car garage here with washer dryer, which is very typical in California, in a garage for a lot of homes. And it looks like extra storage as well. So 1-car garage was a 2-car garage. Now it could easily be turned back into a 2-car garage. It looks like a storage, or it must have been maybe an art studio, or just storage itself. So the Cove really offers a lot of value. It's a other area that I like to show my clients other than Palm Springs. The views, the homes that are priced in this price range, $675, impossible to find in Palm Springs now. Even fixers, it's very hard to find in this price range. So thanks for looking at this home. I'm sure it won't be on the market for very long, and I look forward to presenting another video to you very soon. Thanks.